Hi guys, now another new kit to show you that we've just got in. This is from a new company. They've been out for a little while. We only managed to get onto them and get some stock and all the rest of it. This kit has been had some brilliant reviews. I've spoken to a couple of guys who've got some very early on. They love it. They reckon it's just superb. So the new kit is from a company called Minibase. This is the 1/48 scale Su-33 Flanker D. This is the first kit this company has done, and if this is their future of what they're going to do, man, they have got some very nice kits going to come out to us. So, as I said, this is number one. This is their first kit, and for a first kit, it's just phenomenal. So let's have a look inside. Firstly, it is absolutely jam-packed. That looks like the two colour schemes that you're going to be able to do in it. So that's pretty cool. As I said, this is jammed packed. This is absolutely full on. What do we got? That's the clear parts. Look really nice. The reviews of this, as I said, have been brilliant. This is a stunning kit. So if you're looking at doing the ultimate Su-33, then this is the one to do. That's the clear parts, as I said. Really nicely done. Just so clear and really well. Looks like some of the small parts they put on a card backing so it doesn't get knocked around or lose parts or whatever, which is pretty cool. So that's all appears to be nose cones. These undercarriage parts. There's the cockpit tub. Even the tub, yeah, the tub's got all sorts of detail in it, and obviously a whole lot of other stuff to go onto it. There's the instrument panel, which is very well done. So the fine detail. This looks like some sort of ladder, I think. So that's pretty cool. So there's that. Now the rest of the kit, as you can see. Oh, here's the intakes. Nicely detailed. Looks like all the shapes are right. So yeah, it looks really fine engraved panel lines and bits and pieces in there, so that's pretty cool. As I said, this is just phenomenally packed up. There's a whole lot of small, there's your seats by the look of it. Well, that's part of your seats, yeah. This is all cockpit parts by the look. So there's this part of the seat. Very nicely done. Looks really cool. This is just full of little bits. There's so many little parts on there, it's not funny. So you can see the level of detail that's going to be put into the kit is just amazing. There's all these little bits here and things like that. So very cool. What do we got here? Looks like it's all part of the undercarriage part, undercarriage bays or something. But just even down to little piping and all sorts of things in there, just for the parts of the undercarriage. Look at the detail there. So it's just, the effort that's been put into this kit is just phenomenal. Oh, choice of tail cones, closed or open by the look of it. Intakes. All this sort of stuff. This is all engine detail by the look of it. Part of the fin. What else we got? Wheels. All the wheels, hubs, ramps. That's part of the tail plane. This is just, it's so fine, and there's very little flash. The detail on that is just phenomenal. A good wash, a good dry brush, you'll bring all that out. So that's just amazing. This looks like this is part of your launch systems by the look of it. This is all your framing for the launch systems. This is the fuselage. This is just a phenomenal kit. The detail and the fine detail that's on the fuselage up there, it's just amazing. Rivet detail, panel line detail. The effort that's been put into this kit is, as I said, is just amazing. What else have we got? That's the upper, there's the lower. Look at all this. This is all part of the undercarriage bay. This is all moulded in. the work that they've put in just to give you that's just incredible. This is all part of the fins again, engine parts, lots of detail there. As I said, the level of detail on this thing is just amazing. This is all fins again, everything else. So that's pretty cool. This is a oh, hang on, what have we got under here? Oh, here's your instructions. You get the pitot tube is metal. So you don't have to worry about ordering one from Master. Probably more like stab yourself than anything else. Etch metal there. Whole lot of etch metal here. So there's a fair bit in there. Just can't see any seat belts. Oh no, maybe that's them. Oh no, there's actually 3 sheets of etch metal. There's another one there. This looks like the seat belts, maybe. Be surprised if there's not seat belts in there of some form. Decal sheet looks good. Oh, there's 2 or 3 in here. Oh, very nice. Very nice. This is this is instrument panel and all the stenciling and everything else. And that's another one. It's probably for weapons and just amazing. Doesn't say who's done the artwork. Oh, but designed by Galaxy Decals. Not bad. So that's pretty cool. Instruction book. Wow, that's some book. Well, the amount of parts on it, you'd probably need it. Here we go. Look, basically it's a magazine. That's your colour guide. That's separate. So that's pretty cool. Very nice. This is like a small book. Yeah, there is seatbelts in there, so you're going to be all right with that. So they're all there. Looks like they're PE. Oh yeah, they are, the PE. So very, very precision steps for each stage that they work on. Lots of little pictures and things like that. If you're a person that loves lots and lots of detail, you're going to like this kit. This is just so nice. All the instructions are really, really crystal clear. Tells you exactly where to do what. Colour call-outs are in there. The colours. There's the wingfold sections. The detail on the wingfold is, I saw in the kit, is really, really intense. There's all your bits and pieces there. This is all the, it's gonna take you forever to put all this stenciling on. There's just heaps of it. Just the weapons, all the things there, instrument panels. So there's actually 2 or 3 schemes, so you're gonna be fine with that. The colour they use, colour-wise, looks like it's all Mr. Colour. So they haven't given you any other choices. So if you use other brands of paint, you're going to have to do some research and find out your own paint scheme. So wow, that is just so nice. As I said, the reviews. Oh, hang on, what have we got here? Oh, this is your weapons. Check this out. All individually packed in their own little slots. They're all pre-built too. Now that's quite something. That's the weapon. The fin and everything are already done. Essentially, it's clean it up. It's really, really fine. The fins are super thin. So if you just want to whack weapons on, you're not going to have to do too much work in that sense. So that's pretty cool. I just like the fact that they come with their own little assortment box. What else we got? There's another little blue box here. There's another weapons one. Have a look. Yep, same again. Just some extra weapons in there. That's very cool. So there you go. So you don't have to fiddle around with all the fins and putting fins on and getting them lined up straight and everything else. It's already done for you. So, as I said, this is quite an amazing kit. If you're looking for modern jets and things like that, and you really want a kit that's got lots and lots of detail, the finesse is just superb. The small parts, there's so little flash that I barely saw anywhere throughout the kit. If this is the future of this company, for modern aircraft people, I think you're going to have your work cut out not buying them, because I think it's just one of those kits that you just have to have. It's just so nice. Anyway, this is from Minibase. This is in stock now. If you jump on our webpage or online, you can see it, or drop in and see us in store. I'm sure you will love this kit. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. We'll have some more to show you in the future. Take care. Bye.